I did hear back from Quintrix though, and they gave me an opportunity. Their communications course was very helpful. The Amazon Connect teaching was very helpful. I do highly recommend you do get CCP certified, AWS certified cloud practitioner, but don't try to memorize everything on it. Just know enough to pass the exam. And the reason is it's a good way to get acclimated to all the different types of AWS services. But once you get hired, you probably won't use them all. You're only going to be using what the business wants from you. Over the course of time, you will be learning more and more. Just try to get exposure first. So my key is to focus on getting exposure, and that's whether it's reading other people's code, asking questions, getting hands on with the work yourself. And I guess the last step would be have fun.